All right, gang, for our lower body rolling pattern, just gonna set up on the ground, arms above the head. Now when you do this, most of you are gonna kind of go in this extended posture. So what I want you to do is take a big breath in. I want to exhale and let these lower ribs travel down towards your belt buckle so you can kind of get the lower back to kiss the ground. Okay. From here, what I want you to do is raise your right leg up to 90 degrees. Take a good 360-degree breath in. You should feel the air push into the ground here in the back because you're going to expand your rib cage in the back as well as in the front and side to side. So get that good 360 in. Once you have it, go ahead and bring your right leg across the midline of the body until the weight of your leg just basically takes your upper body, and exhale. Okay. From here, kind of regain your stack position. So I just want you to exhale, pull the belt buckle up towards your chin. Okay. Breathe. Good 360-degree breath. Pick your right leg up, bring it over, and again, let the weight of your leg pull you over as you exhale. Okay, so there should be no upper body involved. Basically, it's just trying to be a rag doll and just going ahead and doing your rolling pattern that way. Ideally, it should be relatively smooth as you roll. Okay, if you find yourself really clunky, that's probably why we're doing the drill. Guys, this is your lower body rolling pattern.